Hello friends, welcome to Yaraa. So today we're going to show you how you can install the Yaraa AI sales agent in GoHighLevel, and it does all the onboarding process in Yaraa automatically for you. So let's just check it out. So go to GoHighLevel Marketplace first, and if you're a paid user, you log into GoHighLevel. Then once you are in GoHighLevel and seeing your dashboard, go to App Marketplace from the left side menu. Once you land there on the App Marketplace, search for Yaraa. That's where you have your AI sales region coming up in the listing, and then you can click on Install Right. So from here, you know it's going to tell you how you can select your sub account. And once you select your sub account, it will list all the website that has been created in that sub account for now. We just have one, so we'll select that one. And then it also asks you to add the website domain. So that's the URL of the website that you need to add. And now we have the code generated by Yaraa. So we just copy the script. That's the JavaScript code that we need to paste and GoHighLevel website. Right. So let's just click on redirect button, and then we go to settings for the website. And you know that is where I think we're going to put the paste body tracking code. So that's the script that we copied from Yaraa, and we're going to paste it and save it. Once we save it, meaning the Yaraa is now active on the website. So let's go to the front end of the website. So that's the website front-end homepage, and we have the Yaraa AI sales agent active there. So it's deployed successfully. Now we'll do a sample conversation. So this captures earlier and then does the conversion. The user asks about certain products or services that are being sold by your business. And we'll just have a sample question over here. What are the pricing plans, or what are the products you're selling? And then you know this response, we can check it out. I think this is, so we close the chat and go to Yaraa admin dashboard. You must have received the email and password by now to access Yaraa backend. Deployment is successful 1 to 4, all the stages, and from the left segment, you go to list. That's where you have the contact details by the visitors captured here, and the conversion as well. So we did one sample conversion that is appearing at the top. When you click on it, the conversion is coming up. This was the conversion that happened on GoHighLevel website. Make sure you look at the email. Once you sign up with GoHighLevel, that email will have the other admin backend username and password. So email is your username and password is for the credential that you need to type in when you want to access the Yaraa backend manager. Thank you for watching the video, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.